How to enable end-to-end encryption in messages. Now, first of all, this depends upon the messaging app that you use. If you're talking about WhatsApp, then we already have a tutorial for that. For Messenger also we already have. But let's say you're talking about the native messages app, which could be Google Messages, Samsung Messages. Now, to enable end-to-end encryption on the messaging app, which is an SMS app, you have to enable RCS Chats first. So tap on the profile icon, go to messages settings, and make sure RCS Chats are enabled. After you have enabled RCS Chat and you go to a certain person, the other person also must use the Google Messages app or other app that have RCS and enabled it. So you know the message is end-to-end encrypted when you send a certain message and it has a lock icon. So right here currently it is SMS, so in my case it is not available because maybe this particular person is not using it. So right here you can see end-to-end encryption is currently turned off for this user because maybe this person is not using Google Messages. So but if the other person is also using Google Messages and has RCS enabled, then whatever you talk here will be end-to-end encrypted. You'll find a lock icon over here if it is end-to-end encrypted. So I hope this video helped to clarify the question. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.